Good medical morning. This is Watson, your host, Prince of Popping and Warlord of the Weird, with another exciting dermatology video. Click that subscribe button for pimple popping and awesome acne alliteration. Oh yeah. The topic of the day is dandruff, and not just any dandruff, the most dastardly, dirty, disturbing dandruff in dandruff history. That's right. Dandruff is a common chronic scalp condition marked by a flaking of the skin on your scalp or beard. Dandruff isn't contagious or serious, but it can be embarrassing and sometimes difficult to treat. The good news is that dandruff usually can be controlled. Let's look at various examples, and stick around for a word about Restmore. It's my favorite sleep aid. So did you know that over 90% of people will suffer from dandruff at some point in their lives? That's right, my flaky friends, you aren't alone out there. Also, did you know that dandruff is worse in certain seasons? Can you guess which season brings on the worst dandruff? I'll put the answer in the description below. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video so far, hit that like button. And now, a word about Restmore.
Ever since I can remember, I've suffered with insomnia. I've tried everything. Nothing seemed to work. But then I found Restmore, and let me tell you, like seriously, it's the greatest. I slept for a full 8 hours. I woke up not feeling groggy. I woke up feeling refreshed. I actually had a great day, a great morning. It was amazing. So I stuck with it. It's an awesome product. It's not a habit for me. It's just great. I don't even know, like words can't even like describe how happy I am that I found this product. So Restmore is the way to go, guys. There's nothing out there before that would work for me, but Restmore.